Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove color tune on IMO. So if you have set a color tune or ringback tone on IMO and want to remove it, you can just follow these steps. So the first method, you can just remove the color tune from IMO app. So open the IMO app on your Android or iPhone, and then you can just tap on the profile icon in the top left corner and go to the settings and go to the functions in here and tap on the color tunes here. You can just find the active color tune and select remove or deactivate it. So in here, let's say I'm using this as my color tune. You can see there will be this trash icon beside the color tune that you use. You can tap on that to remove. So once deleted, your color tune will revert to the default tune. Are you sure? You can just tap on delete to confirm. And the second method, you can remove the color tune via SMS if activated through carrier. So if you set the IMO color tune through your mobile network, you might need to disable it via SMS. You can try sending stop to your carrier's color tune service number and check with your mobile operator for the correct deactivation code. And the last method, you can just uninstall and reinstall IMO. And this is the last resort that you can do. If you cannot find an options to remove the color tunes like I do before, you can try to uninstall IMO and reinstalling it. So you can just go back to your phone home screen, long press on it and tap on this and tap on uninstall. And after that, you can just find the IMO app on your Play Store or App Store again and then reinstall it on your device. And this might reset the color tune settings. And for the final tip, if none of the methods I mentioned before works, you can check for IMO updates or contact the IMO support for help at support@imo.im. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you think so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks button. So I'm going to sum up. You can just first remove the color tune directly from the IMO app here. Or you can also use the remove color tune via SMS. Last one, you can just uninstall and reinstall IMO. That's all for me. Bye.